Hi, this is Lauren,
This is Shelby.
and we're just going to run through the software that we have for the I-slate testbed right now.
So first we're going to go to the addition. We have four different things that they can pick, so we just label them by the signs. So then everything in this button will contain addition problems, subtraction problems, multiplication problems, and division problems.
And then the star is some extra game/lessons that we've included. So when you click on any of those icons, it goes to a sub-menu, and it shows all the different lessons that you have. So for addition, we have 5 different games, and then there's a button to return to that main menu.
So when you click this, it goes back to the beginning.
And if you notice, when you click on any of the buttons, it highlights, so hopefully that'll show the children better what they're clicking and give them better feedback.
So now we'll show you an actual lesson. So you go into the lesson once you click that, and it goes to an instruction screen where it gives instructions on how you're going to do the specific problem. And so once you've read the example, which we're going to make a little meter and then label it, and then all these instructions and everything we're getting translated into Telugu, and then we're going to put that instead of this English. This is just to hold the place. So then you click next.
And you're given this screen, which includes the scratch pad on the right and the question on the left. And most questions are set up like this. So Shelby's going to write something on the scratch pad. So this would be if the kid was doing scratch work to carry over in multiplication or subtraction. And on the left we have scroll buttons that allow them to change to an eraser if they want to erase something small. And there's also the X, which is a clear button, so if they want to just start all over. And the 2 arrows in the bottom allow you to scroll up and down if they don't have enough room. So on the left we have the 2 buttons, true and false. On other modules we have a keypad for them to enter the actual number. So Shelby's going to answer, and you can see that what they clicked shows up in the box, and then she's going to click the check mark to check it, and she got it wrong, so an X shows up, and the child can't click anything else besides the back button or the smiley face, which leads to a help screen.
If they click back, then they go back to the scratch pad, and then they can try again, and then they get it correct, and then they can keep going, and then
it's a different question.
And if they get that one wrong and they're really confused, then they can click the help button, and it goes back to the instruction screen so they can look again at the example. And then they can go back to the same question that they were just on.
So we're going to finish this lesson, and so answer the question and go to the finish screen.
And then this is the main menu. We're also going to get that translated so that it says that in Telugu, because they might not know what this means. And then when you click that, then it goes back to the subtraction menu. But then if you want to go back further, you want to do a different kind of problem, then you go back, and it goes back to the first menu.
So that's the basic layout of our software. And
so yeah, hopefully you can watch this before we talk, and then
you can give us any feedback that you have, and that would be great.
Alright, thanks.